Okay, if you are brand new to calligraphy, you may not know yet to temper your nib. So nibs have an oil that's put on them through the manufacturing process, and you need to remove it before you begin lettering. If you don't, you might encounter that the ink just doesn't adhere to your pen nib. So how you do that is, first you put it in the pen holder. So have an oblique speedball pen holder, and there is an imprint on the bottom. It says made in China. That should face your writing surface. You insert the pen nib, and then you insert in such a way that when you press down, the tine should open evenly. Then you grab your lighter, you light it up for a few seconds, not too much, and then you dip it in water and you wipe. Sometimes I dip it in water again, and then I wipe, and then I am ready to begin lettering.